Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change default PDF viewer Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 11 and you want to change your default application to open PDF files on your Windows 11, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change default PDF viewer on your Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, select settings. Now on the settings page, locate and click on apps. Once you selected apps, under apps, locate and click on default apps. Now for you to change the default PDF viewer on your Windows 11, come to where you see set a default for a file type or link type, then type .pdf. Once you typed .pdf, go ahead and click on .pdf from the result. Then you should see what to use to open PDF on your Windows 11. In this case, Google Chrome is being used to open PDF files on Windows 11. Now, to change the default PDF viewer here, select Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whatever you have there. Then come to suggested apps. Select the PDF viewer you want to use. So here I want to use Adobe Acrobat. Select that and then should set at default. Once you selected set at default, then you should see your PDF file viewer set as Adobe Acrobat document. Then when next you have any PDF file you want to open on your Windows 11, your Windows 11 will make use of the Adobe Acrobat application, this, instead of using Microsoft Edge or Chrome browser on your computer. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.